Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So if you had to remove your rear view mirror, whether it was cracked or you are replacing the headliner and you had to get it out of your way, you can take a straight pick tool, slide it in this slot right here. You're going to aim it kind of towards the middle of the mirror a little bit and push, and it'll slide right off. So basically the pick tool goes in here and it pushes right on this lock right there, and that's what lets you release the mirror. To reinstall the mirror, you can slide it up here and just lock it down in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.